How to clean your refrigerator water dispenser, fast and easy method. To clean your fridge water dispenser, use a solution of white vinegar and water, or just vinegar for tough stains. With a soft brush, cloth to scrub the nozzle, tray, and surrounding areas, then flush the line by running water through, after disconnecting supply and soaking line if deep cleaning, and rinse thoroughly with fresh water, ensuring no vinegar smell or taste remains before regular use. What you'll need: white distilled vinegar, microfiber cloth or sponge, soft bristled brush, like an old toothbrush or straw brush, bowl. Here are some step-by-step cleaning guide. Disconnect water, power. Turn off the water supply to the fridge and unplug it if you plan to deep clean the lines. Remove and clean tray. Take out the drip tray and soak it in a 1:1 vinegar, water solution, or use vinegar-soaked paper towels to dissolve mineral buildup, then scrub and rinse. Clean nozzle and chute. Dip your brush in vinegar and scrub the spout, ice chute, and behind the lever to remove grime and mineral deposits. For stainless steel, soak paper towels in vinegar and plaster them on stains to avoid scratches. Deep clean, optional. Disconnect the water line, use a small funnel to pour vinegar into the tube, let it sit, then run water through until the vinegar smell is gone. Flush the system. Reconnect everything, turn water on, and dispense several cups of water into a bowl to flush out cleaning solutions. Wipe surfaces. Clean the surrounding dispenser body and pad with vinegar, water or mild soap, then dry. Tips. For tough stains, use straight vinegar or let your vinegar-soaked paper towels sit longer, even overnight. Avoid harsh cleaners. Vinegar is excellent and safer for natural cleaning. Rinse thoroughly. Ensure all traces of vinegar are gone before drinking.